In this video, I'll teach you how to add a date picker to a form in Wix. Start by going onto your Wix website editor, and from here select the form that you want to add a date picker to. In this case, I'm going to add it to this form right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit Form up here. Once you're at this dashboard, you need to go over on the left-hand side over here and click on Dates. And from here, just go ahead and click on Date Picker. This adds the date picker field to your form, and after that you can go ahead and click and drag to adjust it so it fits your form better. If you want to, you can also go over here and rename the field title if you want it to just be called date, for example, like this. And once you're happy with it, you don't need to do anything else but to go up and click on Save up here. And once it's saved, just click away from it. And as you can see, we have now added a date picker to our Wix form. If you want to test out and see how this works, you can go up and click on Preview. And as you can see, we now have a date picker on our Wix form. So now you can choose a date like this, and that's how you can add a date picker to your form in Wix. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.